Question number 5 says reflect the graph across the line y equals x and determine the equation of the function. Well, that reflection is an inverse. Okay, so when we reflect across line y equals x, we're talking about an inverse. So I'm going to rewrite this equation. X is equal to the square root of y plus 3 plus 1. That's an inverse function, so I'm going to then solve for the y. So I get x minus 1. I'm going to square both sides. I end up with y plus 3. So my equation then becomes x minus 1 squared plus 3. Now you have to be careful with this because the domain and range of the function has to switch. So the domain of this function here is x must be greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so this means that the range of this function must be the same, which is a natural range of this function. Because of where the vertex is, it's going to be greater than or equal to negative or positive 3. Okay, so the range of this function, though, because of the nature of this function being a square root, the vertex is at negative 3, positive 1, and it goes up. So y must be greater than or equal to 1. So that means that the domain of this function has to be not y, but x. X is greater than or equal to positive 1. So I'm just going to highlight that because this domain has to be that. That's not the natural domain of this function. But because we really only want half a parabola, we need to then restrict the domain to the right half of that parabola.